Good morning, students. Today we are going to explain exercise 1.2 first questions. First question is this here. First of all, we understand the what is coordinates. Coordinates and how to represent the coordinate on the graph paper. So first questions on a graph sheet, mark the x-axis and y-axis and the origins. Suppose that suppose that this is a plane, draw the two lines. This is a x-axis. This is a x-axis line. It's clear? This is a x dash axis. Second is this is a y-axis and this is a y dash axis. The intersecting point is origin. That value x-axis value is 0 and y-axis value is 0. X-axis line right side represent the positive value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y-axis upsides is represent the positive value 1, 2, 3, 4. X-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right side represent all the values positive and left side all the values are represented negatives. Upward is positive and downward is negative. It's clear? So, draw the parallel of the x-axis and parallel of the y-axis and create the figures that is called graph. That is called. It's clear. So first questions. Firstly, read on a graph paper sheet. Mark the x-axis and y-axis. Clear? So x-axis here and y-axis here, and the origin is O. This is a O. Like this figure is origin here is O. O means origins and 0 comma 0. The origin coordinate is always 0 comma 0 because this line is this point is intersecting point of the x-axis and the y-axis. It's clear. This is the x-axis. Horizontal line is always x-axis and vertical line. This is a vertical line. This is a y-axis. It's clear. Point from minus 7 comma 0 to 11 13 comma 0 on the x-axis. So on the x-axis, and from 0 comma minus 15 to 0 comma 12 on the y-axis रिप्रेजेंट हो गया. क्लियर. उसके बाद use the scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit using the 1.5 figure. Answer the given questions. Question is this is a questions. Only cover of this video is the first questions 1.1 exercise. Okay, so place the rayon rectangular study table with three of its feet at the points. Okay, suppose that this is a room and here is a bed. Here is a drone, word drone, or these points represent inside these rooms. First of all, represent the 8 comma 9. 8 always coordinate always written x comma y. First of all, represent the x coordinate. Second is y. Okay. So 8 comma 9. 8 is a x axis value. 9 is a y axis value. It's clear. So this value is a x axis and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 9. 9. This coordinate, this point is a 8 comma 9. It's clear. 11 comma 9. 11 comma 9. 11 is a x axis value and 9 is a y-axis value. This is a 9. 11 line is this. This coordinate is 11 comma 11 comma, this point is 11 comma 9. Okay, next is 11 comma 7. 11 is here, 7. This is a 7 line. Okay, so 7. ठीक है, ये आ गया आपके पास 11 comma 7. But question is said that rectangular study table. You know very well the rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Suppose that ABC is a rectangle. These opposite sides are equal. This is a property of the rectangle, and this side is also be equal of this sides. So opposite sides are equal of a rectangle property. So study table is a rectangular. So suppose that this side to form this side. तो अपोजिट साइड, इसकी अपोजिट साइड क्या होगी? दिस इज अपोजिट साइड, और इसकी अपोजिट साइड दिस इज अपोजिट साइड. दिस पॉइंट इज अ फोर्थ पॉइंट ऑफ द स्टडी टेबल. और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आस्क मी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आस्क मी वेयर विल द फोर्थ फुट ऑफ द टेबल, चौथा पाया कहां पर होगा? तो हम कह सकते हैं दिस पॉइंट वैल्यू इज 8,7. 8,7. First answer, write the solution. Fourth foot of a table, of the table. Fourth point of the table coordinate is 8,7. This is the answer of first point of first questions. Clear? 8,7. Next is this a good spot of the table? क्या ये जो points हैं स्टडी टेबल के लिए बेस्ट है, गुड है? तो हम कह सकते हैं इनसाइड द रूम है, तो कह सकते हैं इट्स सेकंड पॉइंट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, सेकंड पॉइंट कह सकते हैं हम. सेकंड पॉइंट में हम कह सकते हैं कि शायद ये इनसाइड द टेबल है और साइड में है रूम के, तो बेटर हो सकता है. तो हम कह सकते हैं यस, इट इज अ गुड प्लेस. गुड प्लेस, ठीक है, हम कह सकते हैं गुड प्लेस बिकॉज फर्स्ट पॉइंट रीजन में हम दे सकते हैं कि इट इज अ वेल प्लेस इनसाइड द रूम. कह सकते हैं इट इज वेल प्लेस्ड इनसाइड द रूम. रूम के अंदर एक अच्छा जगह है, बेडरूम के साइड में है स्टडी टेबल, दैट इज अ गुड थिंग्स. ठीक है. सेकंड इज कि यहाँ पे कोई डोर नहीं है जो ब्लॉक कर रहा हो, डोर भी यहाँ पे नहीं है, तो इससे हम कह सकते हैं इट डज नॉट block the door. ब्लॉक द डोर, ये डोर को भी ब्लॉक नहीं कर रहा. तो टू रीजंस लिख सकते हैं कि दैट्स अ गुड प्लेस फॉर द स्टडी टेबल. ओके. थर्ड पॉइंट what is the breadth of the table and length? Sub two questions is raised here. First question is this: what is the breadth of the table? And second point is what is length? Third, can you make out the height of the table? क्या इसमें आप बना सकते हैं टेबल की हाइट्स? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आंसर. दिस इज अ लेंथ, दिस इज अ ब्रेथ. सो ब्रेथ ब्रेथ इक्वल 11 11 इक्वल 7 और 9. तो बड़ी वैल्यू में से छोटी को माइनस कर दीजिए. 9 माइनस 7 इक्वल टू 2 यूनिट इज अ ब्रेथ. लेंथ लेंथ इज अ हियर 9 9 equal 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 equal 3. This is a length. Breadth and length. Third one, can you make out the height of the table? No. No. Because study table is a 2D figure. So that is not possible represent making the heights. It's clear. This is the first question. You have any doubts? Comment in comment section. And first time so you can come in my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and press the bell icon so get the new next video notifications. Thank you everyone.